Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and analyze the latest trends in fashion and lifestyle products. Today, we're diving into the world of men's accessories with a product that's sure to turn heads. The HISDERN Men's Suspenders Bowtie Set in Hot Pink. If you're looking to make a statement at your next event, this might just be the perfect addition to your wardrobe. Now, let's talk about why these suspenders and bow tie stand out from the crowd. Firstly, the construction. Crafted with 74% polyester and 26% elastodene, these suspenders boast durability and flexibility. The X-shaped back design ensures a secure fit, while the four sturdy metal clips keep your trousers in place all day long. But it's not just about functionality, it's about style too. With a range of vibrant colors to choose from, including hot pink, black, brown, and more, you can find the perfect match for any outfit. Plus, the set includes a pre-tied bow tie and pocket square, making it a convenient and stylish choice for any occasion. Whether you're attending a wedding, a business meeting, or a casual gathering with friends, these suspenders and bow tie are sure to elevate your look. And with over 637 ratings and an average of 4.5 stars, you can trust that you're getting a quality product that's loved by customers. So, if you're ready to add a pop of color to your wardrobe and stand out from the crowd, be sure to check out the HISDERN Men's Suspenders Bowtie Set. With its sturdy construction, vibrant colors, and versatile styling options, it's the best pink suspenders and bow tie for men available in the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, stay stylish.